Our 20-foot diameter dome has a floor area of 300 square feet, making it a perfect-sized tiny home. A 12-foot ceiling height allows this dome to accommodate a sleeping loft to extend your square footage. With our heavy-duty steel tubing, this dome weighs approximately 900 pounds. On average, it can be assembled in 4 to 10 hours with a crew of 3 to 4 people. We can achieve virtually any snow and wind load requirements using a heavier tubing size. Included with your 20-foot dome package is the frame, anchoring hardware, and cover. Each cover comes with 6 removable round windows, 2 ventilation roll-ups with zippers, a panoramic bay window, and your choice of door opening. The covers are made from heavy-duty architectural fabric and can last up to 20 years. Custom features such as skylights, extra doors, windows, and Woodstove Setup are available. It's a perfect choice for add-on living accommodations and Airbnb rentals. In Vostu architecture, this dome enhances affluence and creativity as well as courage and morality. We offer deck plans for both permanent installations and nomadic lifestyles, and our team is always here to help if you have any questions.